General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Let's knock out the work. So we actually got 5 weeks, which I probably got 5 weeks on here. Yeah. 10, 19, 25. What's going on? Bitcoin sell-off worsens. Let's go. Person selling Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's see. And it's not. Okay, we finally. Let me see where we at. No, we doing this. Fair swing. Okay. Gold goes nuclear. Yeah. Dow shifts 300 points. Regional brain crack under sketchy moves. Salesforce, Ether struggles to hold. Okay, yeah. What is this? Yeah. Government shut down. Same old. It's just they really keeping the government shut down over healthcare, and they know they not finna budge. So it's kind of like political. Governor Polis out here keeping the government shut down. So good news for me because I like EU. Daylight saving time. That time is coming, isn't it? I got Euro news. And then CPI is official. Yep. So this is going to be important. And CPI is on Friday. Okay. It's going to chop all week. Wow. Okay. Well, that dramatically changes the week. We have earnings though. So we got earning moves. And chop don't mean it's not going to be tradable. See. No. We can chop all week until CPI. That's how powerful it is. So it's so powerful it gets an emoji. Man, I'm kind of sad about the COT. Hold on. Let's just look. This is a hopeful look. See me. It's the 10th, not the 9th. So we still not applicable due to government shutdown. Fed Watch still works. The federal government don't work for the federal. The federal bank don't work for the federal government. And they trick you with this word Fed. I'm finna cut probably 50 basis points. And Powell, last time Powell was talking, he was super dovish. What date is this? The 29th? 100% chance of a rate cut. Maybe CPI could change things. But I doubt it. They really got to cut rates. The shutdown play a part as well. We do, yeah, because they want a strong labor market, and the government is like 30% of the labor. I know it's no. What week is this? Current. Netflix, Tuesday, Tesla, Wednesday, Intel, Thursday. Nope, Ford. Ford is like top 10 and probably the Dow. The Dow, like, I don't know what they be putting in there. Yeah, I probably need one of those. I really don't need none of those. TXC, what's that? Texas Instrument. ADT, nope, don't care about none of that. Procter and Gamble is important. See, to be real, it's really this very first row, because that has my top 10. Coca-Cola is important. Let me stop tripping. We'll get this piece. I'll get the first 2 rows. Top 10 earnings. Netflix kicks it off. Tuesday, aftermarket. Then Tesla. It's Wednesday. See what we got for sentiment. Be bearish in sentiment. Look at that. Look for sales. This is actually good. We needed a bearish sentiment. About time, right? Because look at all this. Finally, we get a bearish sentiment. I wonder This means the COT data has shifted as well. See here, I need 9 weeks of days. So this should be it here. 9 weeks here. There's really nothing here. Kind of chopping. Let's take the high and die. We really just playing this big candle range. Just look at how we closing up. Open here, close here, open here, close here, open here. That's madness. Chop City on the daily. Again, we run range high. Then sell off. Leaving this giant new week opening gap is a problem. So if we take highs, then sales and puts make sense for the rebalance. Sorry, point 9. We've been chopping. Story price alignment. Price gap down. When Trump said China and tariff. In a post on social media. He didn't do anything. He just said something. He didn't sign anything. They didn't say anything. I think they said, like we not playing with you either. But come on now. That's where we at. Set of confidence. I like engaging from a bread and butter perspective. Not hyper scalping. I know I can get carried away. That's a word. Let's go silver. I need 9 weeks of days here. Weeks. This is way more than 9. Here we go here. Sorry, IPTA. This is that weekly open we never made it back to. So much stuff down here. This is my projection's not even working right here. Is it working here? It should adjust after we get a swing. We probably need one more day and then it's a move. But just for now, like I still would look here at this old level. I'm gonna keep this weekly open here, and this down candle is not acting as support anymore. That has to go. This original consolidation is beautiful because this is previous month's high. I would like to try to sell that. Let me put an arrow here, because that will be an order block. And get a box here. This will be the enhanced order block. I should do it like this. Take the border off of this one and make the background just a little bit different. I still like weekly opening as a target, but I still like original consolidation as a target as well. We might do it fast, just how we ran up. It could be a real fast sale, and this would be the most interesting rebalance, but I doubt it. The only reason I say that is because these IPTA ranges are here for a reason. These are the bank levels. So if banks want to buy in, ain't no way it can go to 30. I don't think so. But I'm going to just keep this here. It wasn't. That would be crazy. It would be good, but it still would be crazy. Dollar would have to go super bullish. They would have to raise interest rates. Really? Go to CSD. Thinking we can look for sales to target original consolidation. Singapore integration. Have to see if the bearish OB holds on the daily. To look for sales. Started price alignment. Government spends money. Metals go up in value. I like engaging here. See, we've just been running. It's hard to catch. Just jump in like double Dutch. Boom, boom, boom. Dutch it. Okay. So make double capitalize too. Starting capitalizing black. Sure. Let's go here. Euro USD. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, cool. Here we go. Take this off because that was for the week. This is my This is my range here. This is all I got. Anything inefficient? No. Just took this parent bar. I want to see if price holds here, but if I'm looking for sales on silver, we could just run this. This could be engineered liquidity here. So we can just come for that and then set up for a buy. We can run the lows again. They don't look safe. And I'd rather buy further and discount. So watch bullish OBs for reaction or order pairing under lows. Okay, that's worded good. Anchor point, kind of been sideways since government shutdown. We're not getting dollar news right now. Store the price alignment. Waiting on the government to resume business. Set up confidence. Engage at key levels. Lots of news for EU this week, and CPI is Friday. So it might use this news to push us to discount. Focus this week. Bread and butter only. Journal intent. Just bread and butter. Daily profile. And weekly profile. If price is moving nice. Hey, study hunt plan. Open range, gap plays. And page liquidity. Shots. We're doing day trade or bread and butter. Boom, that's where we at. 0.5% risk, which is good. There is none. And we do have Tesla. We on Netflix too. Let's go Tuesday. Netflix earnings on Tuesday could give us a pivot cut or anchor until CPI on Friday. Boom. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.